Wait, I'm gonna be now. Hey, dude, look at this, dude. Look at this. Do you believe in Jesus? Do you believe in Jesus? Do you? Ah!
Yes. Oh, get wrecked!
I'm going to Jesus now, dude. I'm going to Jesus.
I like a pyramid.
The eagle, man. You know? Mokado on Twitch if you want to see the eagle flying. That's not an eagle, but okay. Dude, is that a guy? Yo, man, you have... Ah, I'm the seagull, not you. I'm the seagull. Why the hell are you hiding on the bush? You have an AR.
Little bitch! Little bitch!
Oh, wait, you're the guy hiding in the bush with an AR and I'm the bitch? I'm the seagull, not the bitch. You can be the bitch, I'm the seagull.
Shut the fuck.
Ah! Ah! There's the cop car. The cop. Dude, hide your guns. Hide your guns, dude. The cop is coming. The cop is coming. Oh my god, officer, it wasn't me. Oh shit! Yo, dude, he ran you over. Yo, officer. Officer, you ran those guys over. Wait, I'm gonna be now. Hey, dude, look at this, dude. Look at this. Do you believe in Jesus? Do you believe in Jesus? Do you? Ah!
Yes. Oh, get wrecked!
I'm going to Jesus now, dude. I'm going to Jesus.
Did he just brought us?
He's on top. Hey, dude, are you sleeping here on the ground? Hello. Look at this. Come up. He's sleeping here on the ground. Look. Hey, dude, I'm gonna have a party with you, okay?
Just hit him with your fist.
Let's have a party with him. What? Dude, he didn't die.
I killed him.
Dude, I was aiming to his head, close range, he didn't die.
Your aim is just bad. No, I'm joking.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know, that's hard to say.
Hey, you little fucking tranny bashers!
Oh, what's up,
No,
dude? Hey, dude, by the way, we were having a party here. We were singing and shit like that, you know? And then, well, we needed to
Why'd you kill me then?
Dude! There was guys coming and we were
Because
like...
we like you, man. We like you. We like you a lot.
Sorry,
You could have
dog.
at least waited me to come back before you fucked me.
Oh my god. Oh, dude, we are streaming. If you wanna see us, and if you wanna check our VODs when we finish.
Yeah, dude, what's the stream?
Okay, me, it's Mokado on Twitch, and Break Limits on Twitch too.
Wait, alright, you're gonna have to spell this out for me. Wait, let me get some paper.
He's really getting some things. What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some fucking paper.
Let's go, get some paper.
Better get that paper, boy.
Well, you should wait for me to come back. I was getting a glass of water, dude.
Oh
I thought
my
I was safe. I'm into your chat and try you guys.
Okay. See ya, dude.
Peace, man.
See ya. Oh my
Goodbye.
god, move! Move, we are on the Shrek, move! Shit!
See you later.
See ya!
I was using...
Yeah, okay, it is. Hello, cat. Hello. Oh my god, you scared me! Look at my heart! Oh my god. I was looking to the cat! Someone told me on my chat days ago that there was...
shit.
No, this is safe here, this is safe here. Come to my side. Oh! Shit!
This is safe to you. I'm not trusting you anymore.
No, I was safe in there!
Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
He's on the Shrek, see? Oh, he died by environment, and there's another guy. One last one!
He needs to come out. Just stay here, stay here. He needs
We
to
won!
come out.
We won, dude! GG, man! GG!
you. We are nice in this, man.
Yo, my man, you're burning. You're the devil. You're the devil, you're burning. Dude, what the? Oh shit! Oh shit! You're the devil! Oh, by the way, dude, you miss all the shots. What the hell? What the hell is wrong with you, man?
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Yeah, hey, here for you, here's for you.
Very good.
He's dead. I got him. He was burning. Run! 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 Huh?
Where did you go?
I killed one. Oh, there's another! Go down! No! No! Oh my god. Oh my god. There's another, go! Kill them all! Kill them all! Two guys! Oh my god.
There's someone else here.
Oh shit. Yeah, someone is driving. Is that you driving?
Nope.
There's two guys here.
Where?
I got one. But the other is aiming at me.
I'll flank him.
Yo man, I'm alone. Please don't kill me. Please. Sorry,
Why the fuck did you shoot him?
I didn't know your friend was in there. Ha!
GG, my son.
GG guys.
Fucking
GG.
retards.
Hey, we are
I
streaming.
hope you fucking die.
We are streaming.
Fucking
Don't
retards.
say that. Okay, you look like this.
You guys fucking blow Allahu Akbar, motherfuckers. Go fucking kill yourselves, you Middle Eastern cunts.
He was mad. Ah! I'm alive!
I can't run you over. Wait. I'm going on here, on the hill.
Yeah, he's on the bush. Look. Oh, the car! Shit, man!
It's
The
okay,
car
it's okay.
exploded. He was
Where is he?
shooting
Where
the
is he?
car.
Where is he?
The two are on the bush. Two of them on the bush. Fuck. The freaking car, man. Oh my god.
What? He got me in the head? Oh
How
my
could
god.
this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away. I'm sick of this life, I just wanna scream. How could this happen to me?
Don't cry, boys. Don't cry.
Nice song.
When you die. What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
This guy had potato aim. He had a full clip on the AK and then took an AR and killed me.
I'm shooting a guy. He's gonna die.
He's at the silos.
Wait. I'm gonna kill one guy first.
He's right there in the cop car.
Wait, I killed one guy because. Hey, you bitch! Next time, don't steal my car. You know that?
You've been reported for hacking.
I know. I'm using X and I'm streaming. You can check. VIP 1.5. You need to update it. They cost 15 euro. He left. He said I'm gonna report you, whacker. Yeah.